realized that I just need to like play the game. I'm overthinking recording stuff and letting this guy sit here and look at me. Hey dude, you're on YouTube. How do you feel about that? You have half of my armor suit on. Yeah, I got a pretty cool helmet on. I don't look identical to this guy. I look totally different. But he does have my shoulder pads. And I think, no, he has different legs. Yeah. So, I need to pull out the ship and have fun with it. So let's pull out the most fun ship that I have. The Anvil. So, oh yeah, and remember, have fun. But you try to... This guy's gonna try to fucking jack my shit. But see, he's not gonna have a rude awakening here because I have a one-seater. Hi. Nice armor, dude. Hi. What's up? Cat 4. Coming? Alright, so I have a tag along. Oh, yep. Anvil Hawk. So, on this one, I have a dude fucking following me around. Adds a little bit of different twist to it. Oh, hey, it's not a two-seater. I can't rob him. Hey, here's a spot for you. There's a spot right here in the back for you. Let me open it up for you. Prisoner C. I didn't mean to climb into it, but... So I have Gatling guns all the way around. There's like 6 spots for Gatling guns. So there's Gatling guns, the size 2. What are those? I don't know. This guy's making me a little paranoid. I have what size 2 size 2s, 2 size 1s, and wait a minute. Maybe I have 4 size. No, and 2 size 3s. Yeah, so it's like multiple. What, is there a whole bunch of people fucking showing up now? Yes, dude, it's a Hawk. No missiles on this one. This guy's just so interested in my shit, huh? Yeah, it's a really cool ship. And also it has a really cool EMP. I don't have insurance on this. It's kind of freaky. I don't know what would happen if he got into it. He'd probably just take off in it. But he can't get into it as far as I know. But that makes an interesting video, doesn't it? The what ifs. The things that I don't know specifically about this game. I do know that once you're in a ship and it starts up and you have a multiple seater, then someone can hijack or get inside to your ship and fly behind you and get out of the armistice zone and get your head blown off. And then they can take your ship. That's one way to jack your ship, and the only way to get it back is to have insurance on it. This ship I don't have insurance on, so, but it is quite fun though. So I was gonna jump into the sucker here and get myself a little tour of my gun systems. Oh, this guy wants to get a good view. Alright.
Takeoff complete.
This thing's so responsive and so fast, and it has an awful lot of guns. Yeah, so I want to put in so far, a JS 300 is what's in it right now, and that's the military grade power plant. And there's two power plant options or things available, and that's JS 300 and the Brenton power plant. But I'm hearing that you have to have zero rush coolers in there in order to let it to actually make it work, because the other ones just aren't fast enough. Zero rushes are, I guess, supposed to be the best for, or most compatible with the Brenton. And the Brenton would be used in combination. Otherwise, just two JS 300s would work just fine. For like overclocking all your guns and doing all that stuff. But if you wanted to use the EMP function, I would choose the Brenton power supply mixed with the JS 300 power supply, and mixed with a zero rush coolers and FR 66. Yeah, not 76, 66. For your shields, and I think it has two spots for that. And you would either do the Mirage for no heat signature whatsoever, so that way you could be stealthy and get in there and then use your EMP weapon on your unsuspecting foe. Even though the EMP weapon is kind of nerfed, but it's still a good way to fight. Knock out somebody with an EMP, then go in and nail them with an awful lot of firepower. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's 6. Yep, 6 of them. This thing's so tiny! It's so tiny and maneuverable, and it's fucking kicks ass. And I don't have insurance on it. Sure gets on it though, too. I'll tell you. Done, I guess, booing and awing over my one-seater ship. Yeah, he picked up some armor over at Grim Hex, and now he thinks he's cool. I selected armor pieces from every single location on the whole entire map and mixed it all together and came up with something. Everyone else can do the same. That's the way I feel about it. Hopefully everything will transfer over. That's one thing that we have to kind of worry about, is Chris Roberts talking about. Like, he wants to make sure that we keep our stuff. That it's like that he doesn't want wipes, but wipes are inevitable. Probably wipes will happen closer to the end where we're entering beta, I would figure, and expect a major wipe then, and only the ships that you had in your actually purchased in like real money or store credit, whatever, will be the ships that you have in your inventory, and they'll wipe out all of the money system and start over fresh to get rid of all the alpha clutter. All of us that are supposed to be supposedly rich and stuff. I'm not rich. I just have a couple of ships. This is one of them, and it's really cool. But I'm going back in now that I've shown off how awesome this thing.
Proceed to site landing bay.
Awesome sauce. Man, this thing just moves. And it feels so good. It feels so smooth. It's worth to get LTI on this. Totally. Funability scale 9.8. It's hard to get a 10. But this sure as hell gets close. I'd love to go do some bounty hunting missions in this. That'd be so kick-ass. Yeah, let me see if I can pull the loadout on this sucker. It's a ship that I totally agree with, that does not need missiles one bit. No, it's not going to show me everything. Yeah, see, I need to get stuff in here. I don't have anything in here right now, and I have, it's all available right in the other window that's not letting me because it's read-only right now. I have access to change all this stuff out. I have, like, I just bought it. All that stuff that I just said out loud, I bought. I swear. I just need to, like, move it over, but it's not allowing me access into it right now. Dang. After I do all the research, find out what works with what doesn't work with what, because I've heard a lot of people have been crying on Reddit about the Britain not working. Britain power plants is not working at all. The overheat like consistently. I'm actually kind of interested to find out about gimbals and how do I put in gimbals and things like that. Like I've bought gimbals before in the store, definitely. In one of the gun stores or weapon stores, and I've never had a chance to be able to put them onto anything. Because I don't understand, like, the area, the hard. I know that you have to have a hard point. You have to have a hard point that's like of that size that you want. Then you put the gimbal onto that. But when you already have a certain amount of hard points, like, how do you obtain hard points in other areas? It's kind of hard for me to explain. If a ship has hard points, it's the hard points that it comes with. So they usually already have gimbals on them. So what's the purpose of selling gimbals in the store if they already pre-exist in game? Or what are you just upgrading the gimbal? If you have a gimbal on a certain part of your ship, can you upgrade that gimbal to a better gimbal? Is that what I'm seeing? I don't know. Maybe someone can answer that question in the comments. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna put that to a close. It's been nice hanging out with everyone once again. And please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great evening. Good night.